You need to replace the oxygen sensor when the check engine light is on, and when you have this error code on diagnostic tool, U029E00 lost communication with NOx sensor B, passive/sporadic. The new NOx or oxygen sensor can only be purchased according to the serial number corresponding to the oxygen sensor on the car. In our case, the oxygen sensor serial number is 4K0907807E. This is what the oxygen sensor looks like, which you can find below in the video description or on the servicetutorials.com. Our recommendation is to buy an original oxygen sensor, otherwise you may be surprised that it does not work. Required tools and parts: NOx/oxygen sensor compatible with AUDI A6 C8 2019. Recommended original part: 22mm special wrench/socket for lambda/NOx sensors, 10mm socket and ratchet, car lift or jack, and support brackets. Degreasing/rust-proof spray, penetrating only if the sensor is stuck. Diagnostics or car tester. For resetting error codes, side cutting pliers, high temperature grease, flat blade screwdriver and plastic clamps. You can find all these tools below in the video description. You can disconnect the battery for electrical safety when handling the connectors if you want, but this is optional. 1. Before raising the car on the jack or lift, deactivate the air suspension adjustment, if the car is equipped with such a thing. This way, the car can be lifted on the car lift without the suspension working. Go to Central Display and select Menu. Here you have to select Car. Then Settings and Service. And here you have to go to Air Suspension, Wheel Change and activate it. Two. Lift the car on the jack or car lift to reach the oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor is mounted under the car, on the left side, indicated by the red rectangle. 3. Disconnect the oxygen or NOx sensor connector. Pull the gray clip outward and then press it to remove the connector. Sometimes, the illuminated warning light on the dashboard indicating problems with the NOx sensor can also occur due to damage or corrosion of the connector. So check the connector that goes into the oxygen sensor unit. In this case, it appears that there is no problem with the connector. 4. Unscrew the plastic nut from the sensor holder using a 10mm socket. You can find oxygen sensor for AUDI A6 C8 below in the video description. Five. Unscrew the NOx sensor cable from the clamps using a flat blade screwdriver. Cut the black clamp that holds the gray cable from the oxygen sensor to the black cable of the other sensor. 6. Remove the old sensor using a special 22mm socket. Find the special socket for unscrewing the oxygen sensor below in the video description. Apply some penetrating spray on the sensor thread if it seems stuck, and let it act for a few minutes. This is what the old NOx sensor that was removed from the car looks like. Here you can also see the series by which the new NOx sensor can be searched for, 4K0907807E. Find OE and aftermarket NOx sensors below in the video description. Apply high-temperature grease to the thread of the new oxygen sensor if it doesn't already have one. 7. Install the new NOx sensor and fasten the cables back into the clips. Tighten it with a torque wrench to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Put the plastic nut to the NOx sensor back. Also fasten the two cables from the oxygen sensors with a plastic clamp. 8. Connect the plug from the car to the NOx sensor. 9. Lower the car from the car lift or jack and deactivate the air suspension lock. 10. Clear the error code using the diagnostic tool. Take a short test drive to make sure the car runs normally and that no error codes or warning lights appear on the dashboard. The new oxygen sensor can absorb moisture from the air if stored for a long period of time, but it usually disappears after the first heating of the exhaust system. So, if the warning light on the dashboard does not turn off even after you have installed the new sensor, then you need to wait until the sensor reaches the right temperature for the moisture to disappear. Then after that you can also clear the error code using the diagnostic tool. If you notice that you have a large amount of condensation in the exhaust system, drive the car on a longer road to remove the condensation from the exhaust system before installing the sensor. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or you can send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.